Hello, welcome in daily newspaper editorials idea program. Now headline: Why we need an L minister and ministry. The Economic Times. Now headline in detail: Why we need an L minister and ministry. The Economic Times. Dedicate focus instead to 10 caring law. India has its fair share of ministers and conflicts. Some of them has been considered a smart idea for a while now, but moving in the opposite direction in just this case. Perhaps it's time to give serious consideration to create an all ministry with a suitable minister for the job. Its mission for all should be capacity building, promoting ethics development, turbo boosting R&D, and democratic access. Goal is reportedly open in bringing in a law on a L to secure its vision for the tech. It should go a step further and create a ministry that will deliver more in terms of policy management, admin, and coordination among stakeholders. At is due use tech and goal needs an internal node to before get its strategic and commercial development. It will have to step into managing risk around L. A structure such as a ministry with a budget decided by voters would be more accountable than an institution. India would have to go beyond most countries that rely on regulating L through exciting administrative mechanism. A few like the UAE, France, and Britain have a standalone ministry or authority, even as the common approach has been to create dedicated units within exciting ministries that reflects a spectrum of opinion over how the text should evolve. At one end, the involves a dialogue between tech developers and lawmakers over safeguard. At the other, governments have set out guardrails within which the industry must operate. In their case, regulation has moved from internal controls to external agencies that are acquiring the capacity for oversight. All development can be shaped through security of application as well as its source. This strengthens the case for a ministry that can coordinate regulation to the use case like health or finance. Also, it would need to exert some influence on computing power as a means of control over the technology within government. A dedicated all ministry will necessarily have input on how public services are delivered. Thus, instead of a law, Indian lawmakers should be debating an all ministry. Thank you.